What is the Caisson construction method? The Caisson construction method is a technique used to create foundations in waterlogged areas or areas with unstable soil. A caisson is a watertight structure that allows for the construction of foundations in environments where traditional excavation methods are impractical or impossible. This method is particularly used in the construction of bridge piers, docks, and other marine structures. Types of caissons: 1. Open caissons. O description: open at the top and bottom. As the caisson sinks, workers remove soil from inside, allowing it to descend further. O usage: suitable for shallow waters or areas with relatively firm soil. Advantages: simpler to construct and can be built relatively quickly. O disadvantages: limited to shallower depths and can be challenging in very soft or very hard soil conditions. 2. Box caissons. O description: prefabricated, closed at the bottom and open at the top, floated to the site, then sunk and filled with concrete. O usage: typically used in deep water. O advantages: provides a stable and secure foundation. O disadvantages: heavy and requires precise placement. 3. Pneumatic caissons. O description: closed at the bottom with an airtight working chamber. Compressed air is used to keep water and soil out while workers excavate. O usage: ideal for very deep or very soft soil conditions. O advantages: can be used at greater depths than other caissons. O disadvantages: complex and expensive to construct, requires careful monitoring of air pressure and worker safety. Steps in the caisson construction method: 1. Site preparation. O description: clear debris and level the area where the caisson will be placed. In water, the area might be dredged. O importance: ensures a stable starting point for the caisson installation. 2. Fabrication of caisson. OO. Description: construct the caisson using reinforced concrete, steel or timber, depending on the type and application. O importance: the design must withstand the pressures and conditions it will encounter. 3. Placement. O description: float the caisson to the desired location and carefully sink it. For open and box caissons, precise positioning is crucial. O importance: ensures the caisson is correctly aligned and positioned for the foundation work. 4. Sinking. O description: lower the caisson into the ground by excavating soil from inside it. Pneumatic caissons use compressed air to keep the working area dry. O importance: achieves the necessary depth for a stable foundation. 5. Excavation and removal. O description: continuously remove soil from inside the caisson until the desired depth is reached. O importance: stabilizes the caisson and prepares it for the next steps. 6. Filling with concrete. O description: once at the desired depth, fill the caisson with concrete to create a solid foundation. O importance: provides long-term stability and strength. 7. Final adjustments. O description: ensure the caisson is level and correctly positioned before finalizing the construction. O importance: ensures the foundation meets all structural requirements. The caisson construction method: 1. Stability: provides a strong and stable foundation, particularly in difficult soil conditions. 2. Versatility: suitable for a variety of environments, including underwater and unstable ground. 3. Durability: creates long-lasting foundations capable of supporting heavy loads. Disadvantages of the caisson construction method: 1. Cost: can be expensive due to the materials and specialized labor required. 2. Complexity: requires detailed planning, skilled labor, and specific equipment. 3. Safety: especially with pneumatic caissons, there are risks related to working under pressure and decompression sickness. Applications of caisson construction: 1. Bridge piers: commonly used for foundations of bridges in rivers or other bodies of water. 2. Marine structures: ideal for constructing docks, wharves, and piers. 3. Building foundations: used in areas with unstable soil for large buildings and skyscrapers. Visual explanation: step-by-step diagram. Imagine the following steps illustrated in a series of diagrams. 1. Site preparation: a cleared and levelled construction site with equipment ready for deployment. 2. Fabrication of caisson: a diagram showing the construction of a caisson structure on land or in a dry dock. 3. Placement: the caisson being floated to the site and carefully lowered into position. 4. Sinking: soil being excavated from within the caisson, causing it to sink into the ground. 5. Excavation and removal: continued removal of soil. with workers depicted inside the caisson in the case of pneumatic caissons. 6. Filling with concrete. Concrete being poured into the caisson to solidify the structure. 7. Final adjustments, ensuring the caisson is level and properly aligned. These diagrams would show cross-sections and detailed views of the caisson at each stage, providing a clear visual representation of the process. The caisson construction method is a crucial technique in civil engineering for creating stable foundations in challenging environments. By understanding the types of caissons, the step-by-step process, and the advantages and disadvantages, engineers and construction professionals can effectively utilize this method to ensure the success of their projects. Whether building bridge piers, marine structures, or large building foundations, caissons provide a reliable and durable solution. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.